Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Fortnite language. Now to change your Fortnite's language, open up Fortnite. From inside your game at the top right corner, you will see this little icon. Click on it. Once you click on your profile picture, you need to click on this little icon over here. Click on it. Once you click on the settings icon, you want to click on settings again. And from inside settings, you want to go on this setting icon. Once you're in this setting icon, you can see the language. So my language is in English, but you guys can scroll through it to choose whichever language you want, and after you find the language you want, click on apply. Once you do that, your language of your game will be changed into whichever one you picked over here. But I like my English, so I'm not going to change it. But if you want to change it, you need to choose the language and click on apply. I hope you understand how you guys can change your language in Epic Games. As you guys can see, my language has changed into Korean now. So I'm just going to change it back to English again so I don't have to face any problem, just like this. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos of Fortnite like this. I'll see you guys next time.